Greetings dear Hub learners and supporters and everyone else. Thank you so much for all the support and the mails and direct messages and everything. I really appreciate that support. And if you're new to HubLearn, then check us out at HubLearn, HubLearn.com, or at the social medias. I'm standing outside the shelter, our local to global project, and this is from outside. They have a track, a train track, where there's a train coming nearly every hour. Yeah, let's go inside and see how it looks. Here we got the food. That is another project, but here they are making local food which are sold to other companies. We have a little bakery, and welcome to the shelter. What you see up here is their apartments. They have small booths where they have a little bed. Due to the privacy, we are not going up there. I just wanted to show you where the project and the local to global first store is, and that is here. So everything that you're going to buy from that store, our first product, you're supporting the local community here in Thailand. We use that profit to build and help more local homeless to get a shelter and level up their life. So let's take a look around. Up here they have small tiny rooms for the homeless, so they're providing the shelter. And here you see the entrance. Let's go to the kitchen. This is the kitchen, the meeting room, and the facilities where people are hanging out. Let's move forward to the production area of our bracelets and necklace facilities, the product that they are going to sell online. And this is the production facilities. Behind me you see the toilets and the bathrooms. Let's go inside. The bathroom, and now we go to the toilet. 80 people sharing one bathroom and 5 toilets. One bathroom, 5 toilets for 80 people. Now I'm going into the meetings with the locals. The locals having meetings, and I'll get an update afterwards with Nan. I just finished the amazing meeting with the locals, and we got so much potential here, and we need your support for this project. The way we need it is awareness, so please share this video with the people around. Also follow us on the social media so you can be a part of this progress. By being a part of this progress, you're also supporting the locals here. And please give me some advice, comments of the video, or if there's more you'd like to know or anything. I sincerely hope you're going to help us and the locals. I sincerely hope that you want to help the locals here in Thailand together with me. It's about knowledge sharing, it's about creating opportunities for the underprivileged people.